This documentary, titled Creative Recycling Transforming Waste into Art and Environmental Awareness, has been created as part of Arche 110 Environmental Chemistry project at Lovely Professional University. Environmental pollution caused by waste, especially plastic, has become a major global concern. Every year, millions of tons of waste are generated, and a large portion of it is non-biodegradable. Plastic materials can take hundreds of years to decompose and release harmful chemicals into soil and water, affecting ecosystems and human health. Improper waste management, increasing consumption, and lack of awareness have made the situation worse. Landfills are overflowing, oceans are polluted, and wildlife is at risk. This creates an urgent need for sustainable solutions that not only reduce waste but also change how people think about it. One such solution is creative recycling, which transforms waste into useful and meaningful products. Various studies in environmental chemistry highlight that recycling plays a key role in reducing pollution and conserving natural resources. Research shows that recycling uses less energy compared to producing new materials from raw resources. Creative recycling, also known as upcycling, goes a step further by increasing the value of waste materials instead of simply breaking them down. Literature also suggests that awareness-based approaches are more effective in promoting environmental responsibility. Case studies and research papers emphasize that combining creativity with recycling encourages people to actively participate in sustainable practices, making it a powerful tool for long-term environmental improvement. In today's world, creative recycling has moved beyond small projects and is being adopted by major global brands to transform plastic waste into useful products such as clothing, shoes, and accessories. Many companies collect discarded plastic bottles, ocean waste, and industrial plastic and convert them into raw materials for manufacturing. The process typically begins with collecting and cleaning plastic waste, which is then shredded into small flakes. These flakes are melted and processed into fine fibers known as recycled polyester. This material is then used to produce fabrics for clothes, sportswear, and even footwear. Brands are now using these recycled materials to create stylish and durable products without compromising on quality. For example, recycled plastic is used to make shoes, bags, jackets, and other accessories, reducing the need for virgin plastic production. This not only helps in managing waste but also significantly reduces energy consumption and carbon emissions compared to traditional manufacturing methods. This approach demonstrates how innovation and environmental responsibility can work together. By turning waste into valuable products, these brands are not only reducing pollution but also influencing consumers to adopt more sustainable choices. It shows that plastic waste, when managed creatively, can become a resource rather than a problem. This project is significant because it not only addresses the issue of waste management but also spreads awareness about sustainability. Creative recycling encourages individuals to rethink their consumption habits and adopt eco-friendly practices. It promotes the concept of a circular economy where materials are reused instead of discarded. The documentary format helps in effectively communicating the message to a wider audience. It also showcases teamwork, innovation, and practical application of environmental chemistry concepts. Overall, it serves as an educational and motivational tool for encouraging responsible behavior towards the environment. To expand the reach of our project, we shared our work on social media platforms. The posts received positive engagement in the form of likes, shares, and comments, showing strong interest from viewers. Many people appreciated the creativity and environmental message, and some expressed interest in trying similar recycling ideas themselves. This showed us that awareness spreads faster through digital platforms than traditional methods. Social media plays an important role by connecting people instantly and reaching beyond geographical boundaries. By sharing our project online, we extended its impact beyond the classroom and engaged a wider audience. It also creates a chain effect, inspiring others to take small steps towards sustainability. In this project report, this highlights the importance of social media as a powerful tool for promoting environmental awareness and encouraging responsible action. In conclusion, creative recycling is an effective and innovative approach to managing waste and protecting the environment. It transforms waste into useful products while promoting awareness and sustainable practices. By reducing the need for new resources, lowering energy consumption, and minimizing pollution, it contributes significantly to environmental conservation. It also helps in reducing landfill waste, preventing ocean pollution, and protecting biodiversity from the harmful effects of plastic and other non-biodegradable materials. This project shows that small efforts can make a big difference when combined with creativity and teamwork. Adopting such practices in daily life can help build a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future for the environment. So we should say creative recycling is an effective and innovative approach to managing waste and protecting the environment. It transforms waste into useful products while promoting awareness and sustainable practices. By reducing the need for new resources, lowering energy consumption, and minimizing pollution, it contributes significantly to environmental conservation. It also helps in reducing landfill waste, preventing ocean pollution, and protecting biodiversity. This project shows that small efforts can make a big difference when combined with creativity and teamwork. We hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to help spread awareness. Let's continue to adopt creative recycling and take small steps towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future.